This is the Acer Predator Helios 18, Acer's massive 18-inch gaming laptop that promises to be a desktop replacement in a suitcase. But after spending time with it, I found there are a few things they don't show in the promo videos. Is it the powerhouse you hope for, or a thermal nightmare with a glowing RGB shell? Let's dig in and find out. Acer Predator Helios 18 Product Overview. So what exactly are we looking at? The Predator Helios 18 is Acer's flagship 18-inch gaming laptop, launched back in 2023 with continued updated configurations into 2025. It's built for gamers, power users, and creators who want desktop-level muscle without being tied to a full PC tower. Think big screen gaming, 4K video editing, 3D rendering, and heavy multitasking. Its selling point? A huge display, top-tier CPU and GPU options, and desktop-grade expandability, all packed into a single portable chassis. Acer Predator Helios 18 Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform? I use this machine for everything, from AAA gaming and creative work to heavy multitasking and video encoding, and the raw power is impressive. In games like Cyberpunk 2077 and Witcher 3, frame rates stayed high even at ultra settings. On creative workloads like video transcoding, it handled 4K to 1080p renders in under 3 minutes, something even many desktops struggle with. That said, in long sessions, you'll notice it starts to stretch its legs. CPU and GPU temps climb high under sustained load, occasionally leading to thermal throttling depending on the workload. And while most day-to-day gaming and editing is buttery smooth, the system can feel like it's hitting its limit during extended creative or rendering tasks. Bottom line, when it's working, Helios 18 works hard. When it's pushed, it lets you know. Features and tech. Let's talk about what really makes the Helios 18 stand out and why you might care. 18-inch mini LED display, up to 240 Hz or 250 Hz 1600p depending on config. The large screen is vibrant, bright, and perfect for immersive gaming or editing. If you're cutting video or working with color-sensitive content, the high-resolution panel and strong color gamut coverage make a noticeable difference. Desktop-class CPU and GPU options, up to i9-14900HX and high-end RTX GPU. This isn't just a gaming laptop, it's a run-a-full studio or workstation on your lap kind of machine. Great for 3D rendering, video editing, heavy multitasking, game dev, and AAA gaming alike. Flexible storage and memory expandability. With multiple M.2 slots for SSDs, room for up to 192 gigabytes of RAM, depending on model, and solid high-speed NVMe storage, you get flexibility and future-proofing far beyond most laptops. Design and build. From a design standpoint, Acer largely nailed it. The chassis is sturdy, with a matte black aesthetic plus subtle RGB, all leaning more serious laptop than over-the-top gaming rig. The keyboard offers per-key RGB, nice for night sessions, and overall the build quality feels durable. Chassis flex is minimal and hinges feel tight. But it's not all perfect. The sheer size makes it bulky and heavy, more like hauling a portable workstation than a traditional laptop. That rear power brick really makes its presence felt. And although the keyboard and surface stay reasonably cool, the internal thermal load is significant, which sometimes leads to loud fan noise or high internal temps under stress. Pros. Serious performance. Handles AAA games, creative workloads, video editing, rendering, and multitasking with ease. Huge, high-quality 18-inch mini LED display, perfect for immersive gaming or content creation. Great ports and connectivity. Plenty of flexibility for external devices, monitors, storage, peripherals. Cons. Thermal and noise issues under heavy load. Can get hot and loud if you push it. Bulky and heavy. Definitely not ideal if you're looking for portability or travel-friendly laptop. Final verdict. So who is the Helios 18 really for, and when might you want to skip it? If you're a serious gamer, content creator, video editor, or someone who wants desktop-level power but needs the option to move without lugging a full tower around, The Helios 18 is a powerhouse in a big laptop body. It's ideal if you care about performance, screen real estate, and expandability more than portability. But if you're often on the go, appreciate lightness and battery life, or want something quiet and sleek for travel or work outside the house, this isn't your machine. Similarly, for casual gaming or everyday tasks, it's overkill. You might be better served with something lighter, quieter, and more balanced.